Hi guys, today I will show you how to create and implement GPO. First, punta lang tayo sa start and type gpmc.mec. After nun, expand lang natin ng forest and domain. Right click lang natin to create a new GPO. After nun, mag-create tayo ng name para sa ating new GPO. And then, press OK. So, as you can see, nandito na yung ating create na bagong GPO. Right-click lang natin na ito and select Edit. So, we have two main sectors, which is Computer Configuration and User Configuration. Piliin lang natin ang User Configuration, Policies, and Administrative Template. Desktop. So, piliin natin dito yung ginawa nating GPO, which is Remove Recycling Bin. So, kung makikita natin, hindi pa siya naka-configure, not configure. So, double-click lang natin ito and enable. Apply. And okay. So, check natin. So, naka-enable na siya. So, next is security filtering. So, balik tayo dun sa ating ginawa and punta tayo sa scope. Click lang natin yung authentication user. Pwede tayong mag-add dito. So, ayan. So, explore lang natin siya. So, pagkatapos nun, click lang natin yung OK. And, tapos na. Yun lang yung security filtering. Next is delegation. Pinitin natin yung add. Open type. Select yung computer. Let's say client. Okay. So, bigyan lang natin siya ng power to edit setting and okay. Next is WMI filters. So, punta lang tayo sa content. Right click, new. So, let's say Windows 10 computer only. So, maglagay tayo ng description. This only apply to Windows 10 computer only. So, select add query. So, maglagay lang tayo dito ng SQL code. Meron na tayong code dito. So, type lang natin kasi hindi siya maka-paste. So, after nun, press lang natin yung OK. So, balik tayo dun sa ating current ng GPO. So, makikita ninyo dito, yung WMI filtering. So, select lang natin yung Windows 10 computer only. And press lang natin yung yes. So, yun lang and thank you so much.